taking. Am I audible to all? सुनाई दे रहा है सबको ना?
Yes, sir.
ये dash here, then plus here to be plus, and then hold less. Complement of first term, then the complement of second term, and dot will be converted to plus. This dot will be converted to plus. The De Morgan's law, you know. Then equal to here. Only plus are there, so now we can open the brackets. Sorry, we will apply the De Morgan's law on this bracket. Okay, we'll apply the De Morgan's law on this individual brackets. So here x dash plus z. Okay, then plus. That will be what? If you apply De Morgan's law here, it will be y dash, no, y z dash, no, y z dash. If any confusion, you can ask. I think considering that I've got everything, so if any confusion, you can ask. Okay. If you apply the De Morgan's law in this bracket, on this bracket, it will be what now? It will be what now? Please tell me, students. It will be x, y dash, right? Hello. Okay. Now x dash plus xy. I'm bringing together xy dash. I'm bringing together plus z plus y z dash. Okay. Now anyone can tell me what can be done? अब क्या कर सकते हैं? Anyone of you, please? Students, anyone of you can tell me further step. What will be the next step we can apply here? Students, I'm waiting for a response. Please respond. Aditya Rai, yes.
Sir, a plus a dash b is equal to ab वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे फॉर्मूला.
A plus.
Sir, a plus a dash b is equal to a plus b.
A plus a dash b equal to a plus b. Can you tell me which law it is?
Sir, yes, sir.
Which law is this?
Sir, it is distributive law.
It's a distributive law. Yes, correct. 3 distributive law is there. So this is third one. Okay. So if you don't remember this third distributive law, there's another way also I'm going to tell you. But this is correct. We can apply this law directly. If you remember this, it will be easy to apply the rule. Okay. Can you hear me? Student, एक बार फिर से बोल दो. सुनाई दे रहा सबको? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So this is distributive law you can apply here, and if you are confused with this, one thing we can do, we can apply this distributive law. Second distributive law, if you remember, यहाँ पे distributive law ही apply करना है. A plus B into C. So if you remember, we distribute the symbol outside the bracket. It will be what? A plus B dot A plus C. This you can apply. You'll get the same thing. One step will be one more step you have to type. If you remember this law, third law direct apply कर सकते हो. So here I'm going to do that. ये हम apply करना है. I'm going to apply this one. ये simple अगर नहीं समझ में आता. See, let me show you. I am putting the bracket here. Now it will be clear. If I am putting the bracket here, it will be clear to all. तो यहाँ bracket लगाते हैं. अब समझ में आ रहा है? Second distributive law हम apply कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Students, please tell me. जल्दी बोलो. Can we apply this distributive law? So what will be there? It will be. Tell me, please, students. One of you, please tell me. Steps बताओ यहाँ पे क्या लिखें? Hello.
X dash plus y dash.
X dash. नहीं डायरेक्ट नहीं बता. थर्ड वो ये डायरेक्ट नहीं, ये वाला आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग दिस. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इसको नहीं अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, इसको अप्लाई करते हैं तो सबसे सिंपल होगा.
X dash plus x.
X dash plus x in one bracket, then dot, another bracket.
X dash plus y dash.
dash plus y dash, correct. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, देखो वो ब्रैकेट ये यहाँ पे था नहीं, लेट मी टेल यू, ये ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे था नहीं, तो बिना ब्रैकेट के भी थोड़ा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ अगर कंसीडर करना सीखो तो थर्ड लॉ याद करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, इससे काम चल जाएगा, दो ही लॉ से काम चल जाता है, बट स्टिल इफ यू रिमेंबर द थर्ड लॉ इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू। देन प्लस, अब यहाँ बताओ
Z plus Y.
z plus y dot
Z plus Z
plus
dash.
z dash, okay, equal to, now x dash plus x will be what? Complementarity law, x dash plus x will be what? 1.
1.
Okay, then x dash plus y dash plus y dash, then plus here. Now z dash plus z will be what? 1. So there will have z plus y dot 1. Then what will be left here? 1 dot anything will be same. So x dash plus y dash plus z plus y. Okay. Now here y plus y dash, and then x dash. I'm bringing y dash plus y together. Plus y dash plus y plus z. Y plus y dash हमने एक साथ कर दिया. So y dash plus y will be what? 1. So x dash plus 1 plus z. Now 1 plus anything, 1 plus anything is what? 1 plus p will be what? 1 plus p equal to, students please respond. 1 plus p equal to
1.
1 plus p equal to 1. This is the property of 1. So x dash plus, sorry, x dash plus 1. Okay, then 1 plus x dash, again 1 plus x dash, and x plus 1 will be what? 1. And this is right hand side. So if anybody want to write this? हेलो, तुम लोग अब 12th वाले बन रहा हूँ, देखा है, तो आवाज नहीं आ रही, किसी को कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा. Anybody want to write this? Students, hello, respond please.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All have written or it's clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to stop. This is just for the sake of revision I have done previous class and in this class. थोड़ा सा सारी चीजें रिकॉल हो जाए क्योंकि चैप्टर फिनिश करने वाले हैं और अब प्रोग्रामिंग पे आने वाले हैं जल्दी. सो राइट डाउन द हेडिंग. इतना बोले भाई, दो ही लोग बोले, बाकी लोग हम बड़े बने बैठे हुए हैं. फिर तुम लोग क्लास 12th वाले मत बोलो प्लीज. स्टूडेंट रिस्पॉन्स थोड़ा मिलना जरूरी है, तभी पढ़ाने का मन भी करता है. राइट ऑन द हेडिंग नाउ. Applications of logic gates. Applications of logic gates. Because logic gates are used to design the circuit then the computer circuit. इतना पता पहले से computer circuit. Okay. Few circuits are as follows. Circuits हमें पढ़ने हैं as follows. Okay, so write down what is that. First is adders. Second लिखो encoders. Then next लिखो decoders. And fourth है multiplexers. इन 4 सर्किट पढ़ने, चारों सर्किट के अलग अलग डिविजन हैं. So in previous class, in class 11, I've taught about only adders. Only adders were in syllabus. Now here we have all adders, encoders, decoders, multiplexers, everything we have in our syllabus. So today I'm going to start with adders. Write down the heading adders. आप लोग पहले पढ़ा है मैंने, देखो.
Recording in progress.
So adders, here we have 2 types of adders. One is what? Half
Full
adder.
adder.
Half adder and full adder. Second is full adder. Half adder, then full adder. Then write down the first heading, half adder. Just keep on writing, students. Half adder, write down. It is an electronic circuit. It is an electronic circuit. It is an electronic circuit that performs binary addition on 2 bits. On 2 bits and produces two outputs sum and carry, and produces 2 outputs, sum and carry, and produces 2 outputs, sum and carry. Okay, याद होगा पिछले साल पढ़ाया था मैंने, last year I have taught already. Full stop. There are the Boolean equations. The Boolean equations for sum and carry are. The Boolean equation for sum and carry are. You know, these equations are very important. If you remember this equation, you can draw the circuit of half adder and full adder easily. Okay. So write down first heading. Equation for the sum equal to. Anyone can tell me what is the equation for that? X
plus X.
XOR Y. X XOR Y. सिंपल बनाते हैं. XOR सिंपल क्या होता है? सर्कल within circle a plus X XOR then Y. X XOR Y. and carry क्या होता है? X Y कैपिटल. कैरी क्या होगा? X dot Y. इक्वेशन से आ जाएगा तो इजीली बन जाएगा. This means here we require 2 gates. One is XOR gate, another is what? AND gate. Okay. Done by all? Written by all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Recording stopped.
Then I'm going to draw the circuit of this half adder. So here X. Two inputs, no, it works on two inputs. So one line for X, another line for Y. You have to draw. And for sum, we need one XOR gate. And for carry, we need one AND gate. Okay. So we are going to get X and Y. Okay. Here X and then Y. This is for sum and this is for carry. Draw this is good. If you remember the equation, you know easily can draw it. One XOR gate and one AND gate. Equation से पता चल जाए कि कौन सा gates required. Okay. So done by all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to draw the truth table of this. This is diagram, logical diagram, not truth table. So for truth table, we have X, then Y, then sum, and carry. 4 columns we need. X and Y are what? Here inputs, and sum and carry are what? Outputs. So as you know how to draw the truth table for the two variables 0, 0, 1, 1, right? And here Y means 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now, if you remember binary addition, you can fill the column easily. So let me remind you the binary addition. It is 0 plus 0 will be what? 0. 0 plus 1 will be what? 1. 1 plus 0 will be what? 1. And 1 plus 1 will be what?
1 0.
1 0. Yes, 0 is sum, 1 is carry. Okay. In above cases, carry सब में 0 था, बस यहाँ पे carry 1 आएगा और ये sum 0 है. So that we are going to fill here. So write down 0 plus 0. Sum will be what?
0,
0,
And carry
0,
0,
then 0 plus 1. Sum will be what? 1. Carry will be
0,
0.
then again here 0 plus 1 will be what?
1.
1. Sum will be 1. Carry will be 0. Then here 1 plus 1 will be 0. Sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Carry will be what? 1. So by this way you can fill the columns. Sum and carry. Don't make this last column. ऐसे बना दो. So done by all, this is half header and logic circuit and diagram. Like that, write on the heading full header. Please put the heading now. Full header. Full header. Write on the definition. It is an electronic circuit. It is an electronic circuit that performs binary addition on 3 bits and produces 2 outputs. Write on 2 outputs. Number of outputs is same. Only a difference is what? Here it is performing binary addition on 3 bits. Okay. And 2 outputs, sum and carry. Same things. 2 outputs, sum and sum and carry. Sum and carry. Okay, the Boolean equations for sum and carry are the Boolean equations for sum and carry are. अब यहाँ पे इक्वेशन थोड़ा डिफरेंस हो जाता है. Please see carefully and please remember the equation. It's easy for you to understand to draw the circuit. Anyone can tell me what is the equation for sum? Anyone of you? कोई बताएगा सम का इक्वेशन क्या होता है? पावरफुल एडर. चलो. Friends, you are allowed to unmute. Why are you speaking? Anyone of you knows this?
Sir, some X XNOR Y ignore Z.
XOR. Huh?
Sorry, sir. XOR.
X XOR Y XOR Z. X XOR symbol you can make, then Y XOR symbol Z. I will make it now. XOR symbol. X XOR Y XOR Z for the sum. For the carry, we have XY plus YZ plus ZX. Z. This is for carry. Sum and carry. This is equation for sum and carry. So by the help of this equation, I'm going to draw the circuit of this. So we need one XOR gate for sum and 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate for the carry. Let me show you. Here we require 3 inputs, so X, Y, and Z. 3 lines we have to draw, 3 input lines. And then we need one XOR gate for sum. X, Y, and Z. One XOR gate for sum. Okay. Now for carry we need 3 AND gates. One AND gate for XY, another AND gate for XY dot Z, and third AND gate for Z dot Z. 3 AND gates are required. We will draw here 3 AND gates. Okay. And first AND gate you will join with XY. That I'm joining. First AND gate X and Y. Right. So second AND gate will join with YZ, Y and Z, and third AND gate will join with X and Z. X, and then for plus means this for plus to plus order. For that we will join all the AND gates with one OR gate. तब हम एक OR gate से join. And this is what carry. First, please draw this. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. And when you finish drawing, please tell me. I will go for the good tip. Done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to draw the truth table for this equation. So we need 3 input truth table. One for x, y, then z, and output are there 2 outputs, sum
And carry.
and carry. Here for x I'm going to write, how to write for 3 ways 4041. So 408. 40 carry. So 2021. 2021. And at last 010. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now sum. The same rule will apply. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sum will be what? 0. Carry will also be 0. Okay. Then here in second row, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Sum will be 1. Carry will be
0.
0. Okay. Then here 0 plus 1 plus 0. So sum will be 1. Carry will be
0.
0. Then here 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Sum will be 0. Carry will be 1. Okay. Then here 1 plus 0 plus 0 will be 1. Sum will be 1. And carry will be 0.
0.
In the next row, 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum will be 0. And carry will be
1.
1. Same thing here too. 0. Then here
1.
1. And at last, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Sum will be 1. Carry will be 1. Sum will be 1. And carry will also be 1. 1. So this is sum and carry. So draw this. Just give me 1 minute. Sir. Just wait a minute. Yes, so I have written this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write down the heading. Now this I have already taught in class 11, so okay, you all are knowing this. Now write down encoder. So write down the definition: encoder, electronic circuit, electronic circuit that converts encoded electronic circuit that converts the signals from one type of signal from one number system to another. One number system to, for example, decimal to binary, decimal to binary, octal to binary, then hexadecimal. Means generally from any data type to binary. Circuit is used to convert from any number system to binary, decimal to binary, octal to binary, hexadecimal. So in class 12 syllabus, we have to learn about all three circuits: decimal to binary encoder, octal to binary encoder, and hexadecimal to binary. These three circuits we have under encoder topic. सबके अंदर दो तीन circuit है. Okay, so right down say half adders under adder category we have two half adder and full adder like that. In encoder we have decimal to binary, octal to binary, and hexadecimal to binary encoder. So right on the first heading, what decimal to binary encoder. Decimal to binary. Right down. It is an electronic circuit. It is an electronic circuit that is an electronic circuit that performs that converts decimal to binary, that converts signals from to binary. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the circuit of decimal to binary. So first let me draw first, then you'll draw it. Okay. So मैं draw करता उसके बाद मैं draw करता. In decimal number system, how many digits are there? Meanwhile, please tell me how many digits are there in decimal number system?
2.
9. Sorry, 10. In binary, we have 2. In decimal number system, we have 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Let me draw first, then you will get idea that how much space is required. Then you can switch to the next page and take a full page. Okay, half page मतलब आधा circuit, आधा circuit. 5, 6, 7, 8. प्रथम स्ट्रेट ड्रॉ करना. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. In decimal number system, we have 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay, so that I'm going to draw here 0. Now start drawing face. This much space is required. अब थोड़ा सा नीचे यहाँ पे यहाँ तक space चाहिए इतना space और चाहिए. So as per that, you can adjust your pages on the copy. 0 switch है ना 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So are you drawing this?
Yes, sir.
7, 8, and 9. Till 9. These are input lines. Okay. Input. When you finish drawing, please tell me. बताना जल्दी. Only 5 minutes are left.
Done,
Sir,
sir.
done.
Okay. Now listen, these are input lines. Okay, and listen carefully how I'm going to tell you. How will decide the output lines, number of output lines? See, how many lines are here? These are 10 lines, 10 input lines we have. So 2 to the power, here we have 10. 2 to the power 3 is greater than equal to 10.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Paul.
Okay, then 2 to the power 1 is greater than equal to 1. No. 2 to the power 2 is greater than equal to 10. No. 2 to the power 3 is greater than equal to 10. No. Then 2 to the power 4 is greater than equal to 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the number of output lines. This will be the number of output lines. Output lines. Here 10 is what? What is 10 here? Input lines. Please write down somewhere. And लिखो. उसी page पे लिखो. याद रहेगा. So here number of output lines will have four number of output lines will have in this circuit. This written by all.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So that 4 output lines, that 4 output points I'm going to draw. Here we have to draw 4 OR gates vertically. Okay, so that I'm drawing this. Let me draw first, then you will draw it. 4 output lines यहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे 4 OR gates draw करनी. This you can write F0. This you can write F1. Please start drawing 4 है adjust कर लेना 4 के साथ. 4 यहाँ पे draw करने. F4 गया. 4 OR lines. Then last में F3. F0, F1, F2, and F. Please draw this. Here 4 output. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll draw the truth table. Okay. F0, F1, F2, and F. Sorry. Account table draw करेंगे. Write down draw the truth table. Write down decimal. No. Then in the same sequence, write down F0, F1. Subscript लिखना तुम्हें. ठीक है ऐसे. Decimal numbers are 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. You know how to draw the truth table for the full value. Here we have up to 9 only. You know 8 zeros. Then 1. 8 ones, but here we have to 9 only, the 1 or 1. Draw it please. Then here 4 0. Then 4 1. Then 4 0 की जगह नहीं. Then 2 0. 2 1. 0 2 1. Then last one. And last 0 1. 0 1. Okay, done by all? तुमने बना लिया? टेबल बन
Yes,
गया सबसे?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो हिंट दे रहे हैं, लिसन केयरफुली एवरीवन। हिंट हम दे रहे हैं, एक चीज हम ड्रॉ करके दिखा रहे हैं, उसके बाद बाकी सर्किट कंप्लीट करके तुम लोग को हमको भेजना है। होमवर्क आई एम गिविंग यू। और सी sequence. You have to remember that this sequence should be same: F0, F1, F2, F3. The sequence left to right: F0, F1, F2, F3. In the same sequence, you should write in the truth table. The sequence should be same. Okay. F0, F1, F2, F3. उसी sequence में हमने truth table में भी लिखा है F0, F1, F2 and F3. Okay. Now see this for the F0. F0, for F0 column we have 8, 0 and 2, 1. And 1 is for what? 8 and 9 only. See, देखो, ध्यान सुनना सब लोग. We have here we have 1 for 8 and 9 only. So this OR gate of F0 will be added, will be joined with 8 and 9 into 10 only. सिर्फ 10 होगा. सिर्फ 8 और 9 से 0 वाले लाइन से ज्वाइन नहीं करना, सिर्फ 1 वाले. Clear to all? इसके लिए 1 आउटपुट आया for that only. 8 0 छोड़ देंगे, 2 1 लास्ट के 2 8 और 9 के ज्वाइन करना. Because only for 8 and 9 we have 1. अब for F1 second column में देखो 4 0 4 1 4 and then 2 0. So first 4 lines will not join. 4 0. So these 4 lines will not be joined. Then next 4 will be joined with this. तो यहाँ से फर्स्ट का हमने 4 0 छोड़ दिया, 4 लाइन छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. समझ में आ रहा सबको?
Yes, sir.
yes,
With
sir.
joining on her. Then third is F2. 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 2 0. Like this, no? So first 2 lines you will not join. So next 2 lines you will join. 2 0. ये छोड़ देंगे, इन दोनों को join कर. Don't draw, please. Just I'm telling you, you will complete it. 2 0 2 1. Then again 2 lines छोड़ देंगे, फिर 2 0. नहीं sorry. तो 1 वाली लाइन वैसे को join कर. 2 0 2 1. Then 2 0 2 1. फिर लास्ट में 2 0 को join नहीं करना. लास्ट में क्या है? लास्ट कॉलम. What about the last column? 0 1 0 1 0 1. So alternate लाइन join होती जाएगी. फर्स्ट लाइन नहीं ज्वाइन करेंगे, नेक्स्ट लाइन ज्वाइन करेंगे. तो 0 ऐसे ना आ रहा सामने सबको. 0 1 0 1 एक एक लाइन छोड़ के. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
आ रहा है सर.
आ रहा है सर.
0 1. जीरो लास्ट में 1 है ना. So like this. So please come draw it. I think you got the point how to draw. So draw it and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay. This is homework I am giving for. Meeting and